What if I tell you that you can make an instant 60 to 70 USDT within 5 to 10 minutes with just a capital of $10? Seem almost impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how. Guys, this is swop.fi, also known as swop.finance. It is a platform that is gradually gaining momentum in the internet. As you all know, before I engage in any arbitrage, before I put my money in any platform, I normally used to conduct research. So as I was unable to find the website on Trustpilot and Scam Advisor, I went to CoinMarketCap, which all of you know it's one of the most legitimate or genuine websites to find authentic crypto. And fortunately, I saw that swop.fi also have their token and it's being currently traded now on the CoinMarketCap. So since we are sure that this is not a scam website, we can actually go ahead and conduct our trade on it. So first thing first, you are going to you are going to go to the website, which is swop.fi. Then you will have to connect your wallet. And the amazing thing about swop.fi is that there's no authentication, there's no KYC, nothing. You just connect your wallet. After that, you can be able to conduct trade. And when conducting trade, there's no there's no, what is it called? There is no limit order, there is no market order, there's just the convert, which makes it easier and simpler and quicker for you to make your trade. So the first thing you're going to do is to connect your wallet. You head on to the connect section here. Let me show you. Here, you tap onto this connect, and after that, you're going to find a variety of various wallets. I am going to use metamask as it is the wallet that is installed in my phone, and after it has been connected, I'll head back straight to Binance. So guys, right here in Binance, we are going to head to the trade section. After that, we are going to search for a coin called the LTC, which I am sure most of you know the Litecoin. So LTC is popularly known worldwide as Litecoin. So we are going to search for LTC. LTC. Okay. So the essence of searching for LTC is to see if Binance is actually supporting LTC. So here it is, LTC USDT, LTC FD USD, and all that. So now we are going to head to our convert section. In the convert section, guys, we are going to convert USDT into LTC, and you can use as little as 10 USDT for this transaction. USDT. You are going to convert USDT to Litecoin. Search for Litecoin, LTC. If you're a new subscriber or you're a new viewer, please do well to like this video and subscribe in order not to miss out other important arbitrage opportunities. So here we put our $10, and if we were to convert $10 on Binance, it is going to give us 0.169 worth of LTC. 0.169 worth of LTC. So after converting this, we are going to send this 0.169 worth of LTC to our metamask. After sending it to our metamask, it is going to be linked. Remember, we have linked our metamask wallet to the swop.fi. So because of that, it is going to appear on our swop.fi, even though it is on our metamask. So after converting this money, we'll head on to our swop.fi to actually make this arbitrage possible. So on the swop.fi, guys, we are going to head to our exchange assets, which is right here. You tap on this, exchange your assets, and after that, it's going to bring you to this platform. Remember, you have to connect your wallet before you can be able to carry out this trade, so that the Litecoin you sent to your MetaMask can appear on your swop.fi exchange platform. So right here, you're going to search for the Litecoin which you sent from your MetaMask, which is Litecoin over here, and change it back to USDT. So guys, remember what we got on Litecoin, worth of 10 USDT was 0.169, right? So we are going to put it here, 0.169, and it is going to give us a whopping return of $82, guys, over here. $82. Remember, we started with $10 and now we are getting back $82. If you are good in calculation, you will notice that we have made a capital of 72 USDT. So this is just how it works. And after this, you can be able to do it 5 times, 10 times, as it has no limit. as to how many times you can be able to do it, guys. So guys, even though it has little fees attached to it, it is still insignificant compared to the profit you made. If you can see over here, you'll see the little fees that are being attracted, but it is still uncomparable compared to what you are going to be making. So guys, as you all know, arbitrage is not something that lasts forever. So if you're watching this video, I would like you to make your own research before actually engaging in it. And if you don't know how to do arbitrage, please and please do not engage in this, as you are at risk of losing all your capitals. I say it as it is. I cannot deceive you guys. So please make your own research, make an additional research before you can engage in this arbitrage. And for any question or inquiry, you can hit me on WhatsApp, or we can chat on Telegram for additional assistance. Please do well to like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, so as not to miss out other important arbitrage opportunities we are going to be dropping on this channel. Stay safe. Ciao.